I look dead. हो गए ना खराब? हो गए. Could I be more convincing? If you have ever cried with the Koho book in hand at 3 a.m, welcome to the club. Hi guys, I'm Anshika. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing all the Colleen Hoover books that I have ever read. Just 7 of them actually. And most of the books I've read like online. So I own like 5 Colleen Hoover books, out of which I've read 4. So these are the ones that I have with me right now, and the rest I have read online, but I'll still talk about those. First up we have Ugly Love, and this is also the first book that I read from Colleen Hoover, and I was 15. Did I throw it across the room? Maybe. Did I cry? Of course. I think this was one of the books that went completely viral all over BookTok, Bookstagram, everywhere. It was something very unexpected that I had read, and I really liked the story. There was some toxicity, actually a lot of toxicity, but that is what you can expect from a Koho book, honestly. So just be ready, read all the disclaimers, the trigger warnings, the everything before you pick up any Colleen Hoover book for your sake. There would be a lot of trauma, a lot of tears, a lot of what the heck moments. Because this was the first book I read by her, I was blank for 2-3 working days. This book will break you till the max limit, but you will still keep reading. That is the power of Koho books. Quite the things that happened in this completely broke me. It was not expected. It was not something I could handle at that point, I think. But yeah, we all move on. We do. Next up we have It Ends With Us. Okay, this book contains a lot of controversies, and I know the toxicity and everything that has been concerned with this book, but looking at the story, yeah, it was very traumatic. It was very, very toxic, abusive, everything. Again, read the trigger warnings before you read this book. So in this book there is this Lily Bloom who has a flower shop, and she meets this neurosurgeon, Dr. McTreeny, no, she meets Ryle, the neurosurgeon, and they fall in love. Then Lily has her past. We are shown glimpses of it. We are told about it gradually, and they just move further in their relationship. Things get ugly, of course. Things get toxic. Quite heartbreaking. I gave it 4 stars out of 5. And honestly, if you have read any of these, which I think you would have, please tell me in the comments how you felt about these books, because I would love to know that, and I would love to discuss these books with you, because the only thing readers love more than books is talking about books. I would love to hear your opinions on Colleen Hoover books just in general, and these ones if you have read them, and the ones I'll show ahead also. Next we have Layla, and I have talked about this book earlier also. I've given this in the recommendations, and it was deserving. Leeds and Layla, they meet, and Layla has this unexpected accident. Has also changed the woman that Leeds originally fell in love with. You'll find the answers of what is going to happen, what actually happened. Logical thriller. This had some paranormal activities described, and this book is also called The Little Cousin of Verity, which I think is completely true, because Verity was a whole another concept, and this one is also somewhere near that. And let me tell you, while I was reading this book, just about to finish the book, I kept on reading, and I was literally going to the mall with my cousins. We were going in the car, and I kept on reading this book. I did not care to talk to any one of them. I had to find answers. I had to read this book. Next up, not happening. Next we have Reminders of Him. So in this we have Kenna, who has been released from the prison after 5 years. She goes to reunite with her 4-year-old daughter. Okay, what did I just say? She was in prison for 5 years and her daughter is 4 years old. Do the math. And the people who have been raising her daughter while the time she was in prison, they are not ready to welcome her. They are creating some emotional barriers for her, and it is not easy for her to get back into the life she was hoping for. And yeah, there are many twists, very emotional. You can give this a try. I had actually given it a 3 stars. I was not really hooked to the book. It did not keep me that engaged, you can say. Next, let's talk about Verity. So this is a very famous thriller book from her, and honestly I was very shocked in a good way. Tu kar le pehle. It is dark, spicy and thrilling. It will still have like romance and stuff, but in a scary way, if you get what I mean. This was one of the books where I had been staring at the wall after reading a line, and I was like, what the heck just happened? As I was reaching towards the end and as I was reading the pages, I had to actually pause and process what was actually going on. Honestly, it is worth the read. I would give it a 4.5 stars out of 5. Next we have November 9, and the concept of this book was amazing. I did not get bored in any chapter. I was really invested in the book. So the story is about Fallon, who is an aspiring actress, and she had a very traumatic accident in the past which has left some scars. She meets Ben on November 9th. That is one day before she's actually moving across the country. They just have this vibe and they decide to meet every year on November 9th, and throughout the year they would have no contact, no social media. They have blocked each other on social media. They have not exchanged phone numbers, nothing. They would not communicate the whole year, but they would meet on November 9th every year. Ben is actually an aspiring writer, so he is writing a book as well, but he doesn't really show Fallon what the book is about, or doesn't talk about it much. And then later we get to know what the book was about, what happened in her past. Everything was disclosed. Okay guys, so that was it for the video. Those were all my views on every Colleen Hoover book that I have read, and there are a lot more books from her that I want to read, such as All Your Perfects and Without Merit. And do tell me if you have read any of these books and any of these were your favorites. I would love to know that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Bye.